Okay, so welcome to my tutorials. I'm here to help you understand the data. So here we are looking at the ALS data science program, and this one is the integrated project with access to water. Now, okay, so first and foremost, on in your Google Drive, you need to have a folder where you keep all the files that you work on with the program. So if you have not created a folder, this is the process, and then you put in the name. Probably I use my data science program or ALS data science program. Then you click on create, and then boom, you will have something like this. Okay, so here now, when you are in here, you can look at adding your data set. Probably you downloaded it into your computer. Maybe it is in your computer as a download file. So you can come here and then you go to upload file, which will lead you into where you have your data set. So this is the data set. Once I click on it, it comes straight into my Google Drive. So here it is. You click on it, and then you go to open, and then it leads you straight into your Google Drive. So here you are. This is the file here. Now, when you get here, what you can do is to create a copy of it so that you do not tamper with the actual data that is embedded there. So you just click here, and then you do make a copy. Make a copy. So when you click on this, it takes you to this. It creates this new copy for you. That makes it much easier. Now with this done, you can now go to your Google Drive, the new here, the symbol or the icon new, and then click on it. You have the option to create a sheet. So once you click on it, it will lead you to a sheet like this, to a sheet like this. Now you can name it any how you want, where you have the name tab over here. So I have named it ALX Integrated Project Tutorials Access to Drinking Water Part 1. Okay, so now we go to import our data set. Go to File on the menu, and then import. So here we know where we can find our data set is inside my ALS data science program, and then we are dealing with the copy, not the original. Okay, so here we are. So here you choose um, the options. When you click here, you have options: create new spreadsheet, insert new sheet, replace spreadsheet, and so on. So if you want to replace the whole spreadsheet, fine. But otherwise, if you just want to replace the current sheet you have opened, you just click this one. So I choose this one. And then here we have detect automatically. Because it's a CSV file, Google Sheets will be able to detect the comma separated file so that it will be able to separate them. So let's see how it goes. Just click on import. Okay, so here we are. Here we are. It is open beautifully for us. Now you will see that the header didn't separate perfectly. You can see here. So in the next video, I'm going to take you through how you can separate the heading and then do the rest of the work in here. And you can also see there are a few issues. There are a few issues in there, but these are data set downloaded or imported perfectly. Thank you. So I'll stop here and then continue in the next video.